I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Apple ID tied to the watch and securing the password or owner consent. This is critical because activation lock blocks pairing without credentials. Once done, make sure your iPhone is updated and both devices are charged and nearby, with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. You then open the watch app and tap Pair New Watch. This starts the optical pairing and data transfer process. If the watch shows an activation lock prompt already, pause here, do not force reset yet. If activation lock appears during pairing, you must enter the Apple ID and password listed on the activation screen. That unlocks the device and allows pairing. If you don't have those credentials, ask the original owner to remove the watch from their iCloud account. Sign into iCloud. Go to Find My, choose the watch and select Remove from Account, because activation lock only clears that way. If owner contact is impossible, gather original purchase proof and contact Apple support to attempt removal through official verification. Once the lock is cleared and the watch accepts your Apple ID, finish pairing in the watch app and choose Restore from Backup or Set up as New, depending on your needs. Allow the device's time to sync. Install apps and verify health and activity permissions so data flows correctly. If pairing fails, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. If activation lock still blocks you and owner removal isn't possible, contact Apple support with original purchase proof. This is the only official remedy to clear activation lock.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.